Welcome to the bar. We're making not one, but two mojitos, a raspberry mojito and a mango mojito. History definitely tastes better with color, right? I'm gonna take y'all back to the origin of this drink, featuring pirates, questionable medical practices, and a guy who drank so much they named a bar after him. Alright, flashback into the 1500s, back when people thought bathing was optional and the only cure for illness was just drink something and hope for the best. Enters Sir Francis Drake, an English pirate who rolls up to Cuba with a crew of sick sailors with no health care or pirate medical plan, so they mix up some aguardiente, pre-rum moonshine, sugar, lime, and mint, and bam! First ever mojito served, probably with a side of scurvy. Fast forward to the 1800s, pirates are out and a real rum finally exists. So the mojito gets a glow up, making its way from pirate medicine to a bougie beach drink. Hashtag vacation mode. But wait, who really put the mojito on the map? That would be the world's famous writer and professional drinker, Ernest Hemingway. Legend says he walked into a bar in Havana, had a sip, and boom, instant classic. Imagine being so good at drinking that your opinion makes a cocktail go viral before the internet even existed. Goals, man. And now we're making history again, introducing the raspberry mojito and mango mojito, because the only thing better than one mojito is two mojito. Let's go. Let's see if I just changed the game. Save one. So throw your straw in there, and we gotta sample these. Let's go. God damn. That thing good. And she's smooth. Hemingway will be impressed. Sir Francis Drake probably suing me for not giving him the credit. But me, I'm just out here making history one sip at a time. Come on, man. Like, comment, and tell me what's your mojito remix. Should we try pineapple, dragon fruit, or something totally wild next? Let me know in the comments.